Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick recipe which is a mixed fruit lassi. I hope you all enjoy this one. So these are the ingredients what I've got for you today. I've got some yogurt, I've got some mixed fruits which is berries, strawberries, mango, pineapple. I've got 2 nectarines and I've got some milk and some honey. And I've got my blender jar and I've got some ice as well. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to put in 2 strawberries in here, or 3. I'm going to be doing 2 dots, maybe, it depends how much the jug holds. I'm going to put some of these fruits in there. So these are all different kind of berries and stuff things. Right. I'm going to put some honey. You can make this out, put how much you want in there, depending on how sweet you want it. But then I'm going to put a little bit of milk, about half a cup. Then I'm going to put some crushed ice. I don't know when you buy this ice how it always gets like that. I just want to put some ice. Then I'm going to different spoon, bigger spoon. And I'm just going to top that up to the level with the yogurt. This is just a plain yogurt. So it's about that much. And then I'm going to blend this and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so I've got my first batch done. But when you've done that, you can taste it for sweetness because you're going to be doing another one. So that's nice. So you can see that's a nice creamy mixture. So I'm going to be doing the same again. So you're getting all your fruits in. Just going to cut these strawberries to make a bit more space. And then I knew I was going to do that, everybody. These knives are like razor blades. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I'm back. I have to try and do this with one hand. These nectarines are pretty solid, so they've got a stone in the middle, so that's what I'm cutting around. So I'll do this and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so I've got some fruits in. Just looking where the level is. I want you to get some ice in there as well. So I won't get a lot of ice in this one. But, so I'm going to blend this out, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so got this other one blended. It's harder working with one hand, but we'll get through it. So I'll give this one a taste as well. that's nice. Let's pour that in with that one. And what I'm going to do, put my yogurt here, and put my yogurt in there. That much yogurt. And I'm going to put my ice. Oh, that's full of water. The kitchen's quite hot. We're just about to bang it. A lot of just try and drain out this water out of there. I'll be back with you in a minute. So, don't know if the ice will work in there, but I hope it does. I can get this closed, no I can't. So I have to take out a bit of ice. To get this back in the bag and see if I can crush it. I've just done it a little bit, so it's getting up everywhere. And I'm going to put some more honey in this one as well. I'm going to blend this, and that should be it. Be back with you in a minute. Right, so I've blended out that one. As you can see, this one is more solid. So I'll give this a quick wipe down. And I'm going to give this a good stir. I'm just going to get one of my glasses, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in a glass. You can put whatever fruits you want in there. You can put your ice in there, or you can leave out your ice. So that's what it looks like in a glass. Our nice mixed fruit lassi. So hope you like this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in this comment section, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.